Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to sign up for Amazon Pharmacy. This service allows you to manage prescriptions and get medications delivered right to your door, making healthcare more convenient. First, open your web browser and navigate to pharmacy.amazon.com. This will take you directly to Amazon's pharmacy homepage where you can access their prescription services. Here's an important note before we proceed. If you already have an existing Amazon account, all you need to do is sign in with your current credentials. However, if you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up for a new one, which is what we'll be doing in this tutorial. Once you're on the pharmacy homepage, click on Sign Up/Sign In. This will redirect you to the account creation page. Next, you'll see a field asking for your contact information. Enter either your mobile number or email address in the designated field, then click Continue. Amazon will use this information to verify your identity and send important updates about your account. After clicking Continue, you'll be prompted to proceed with account creation. Click Proceed to create an account to move forward with the registration process. Now it's time to fill in your personal details. Enter your first and last name in the designated fields. Make sure to use your legal name as it appears on your ID, since this is a pharmacy service and accuracy is important for prescription handling. Next, you'll need to create a secure password for your account. Enter your chosen password in the password field. Amazon typically requires passwords to meet certain security criteria, so make sure it's strong enough. Right below that, you'll need to re-enter your password to confirm it matches. This step ensures you haven't made any typing errors when creating your password. Once you've entered both passwords, click Verify Email to proceed to the verification stage. Amazon will now present you with a puzzle to solve. Go ahead and complete it. This is a security measure to confirm you're a real person and not a bot. After solving the puzzle, Amazon will send you a one-time password, or OTP, to either the email address or mobile number you provided during sign-up. Check your inbox or messages for this code. Once you receive the security code, enter it in the designated field on the screen. Finally, click Verify to confirm your code and complete the account creation process. Your Amazon Pharmacy account is now set up and ready to use for managing your prescriptions and ordering medications. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.